perfectly good mountain.
Good morning. It's day 4 and it's jump day.
So excited, so excited, so excited.
So we're gonna go jump. Somebody tells us to go jump in the lake. They're gonna tell her to go jump off the mountain.
Excited, excited. We will see you shortly. I hope.
No, you're gonna
I have no qualms, no butterflies, no nothing other than excitement. This is just probably the most exciting thing I've ever done by myself. Well, with somebody attached to me, but it's not Dad, so it'll be different. But it's gonna be fun and exciting, and we need to get going. So love you, love you, love you. Mwah.
So excited to go flying?
Oh yeah.
All right. Conditions are very good. Light up there, light winds. So it's not hard because your feet are going to start feeling light in the process of launching. You just take longer, bigger steps. Pretend you're 12 years old and all come here. Bye. There she goes. Heading off to do the jump. Wow. Jo has entered the gondola. She's ready to head up the mountain. They're actually going to jump from the summit this morning, which is the highest point. They're almost 11,000 feet. She's going to jump off of this morning, a little bit higher than they expected because the weather's good and they just need to get up very high to take off because the wind is really light today. So it's a good thing, but it makes it so they have to jump off a little higher, which is really cool. She got to run a little bit, which will exercise her knee. Thank the goodness for the therapy that she's been going through for a couple of weeks, and that's just awesome. So we're going to watch her take off. I'm listening to her in my ear. She's actually on the gondola right behind us talking to somebody. I think she's trying to get some gum. We forgot to bring gum with us down here this morning. There we go. Up the mountain they go. Standing in the field again, waiting on Jo. She's ready to take off the mountainside right behind me, and soon she'll pop out. I got a couple of cameras sitting there ready for it. She's supposed to talk to me on the radio. We want to straight up, so.
Go for it in 3, 2, 1. Couple steps. There you go. Okay. That's where you're really gonna run. Really run. Really run. Woohoo! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, look at you! Oh.
Tell me again.
You run, 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 and then you take off and you just glide, and it's just amazing.
Too much fun, huh?
Oh my gosh, I would do it again.
Would you?
I would do